my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we bring different opportunities to make money online and offline to you. My name is Lukman, and today we want to quickly look at how to make between 20,000 naira to 50,000 naira with photos you did not take. I mean, how to make money with photos that you did not take. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to my channel, where we'll give you money making ideas on a daily basis. Just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. So let's get into it. How do you make money from photos that you did not take yourself? I want to tell you firsthand that anybody can do this, even if you don't know how to handle a camera. If you have not even hold a camera before, you can make money, and just a lot of money with this system. So in this video, I'm going to give you step by step how to make money with these photos that you did not start. Number one, you have to go to a website called Pezels, PESELS.com, Pezels.com, or you go to Pizabay.com. Pizabay is spelled PISABAY.com. Go to Pizabay. It's all the two websites I mentioned are free websites that you can just download images. Just download images like nature images, waterfall, beach, travels, and even birds or animals. They are free. Just download it. That's the first step. After downloading it, the second step is to go to a website called befunky.com. I will list this website in the description. befunky.com or adtest.com or pickfonts.com. What are you doing? What are you going to do in this website that I've just mentioned? You go there, just take the pictures you downloaded from Pezels or Pizabay, take it to that place and add images or add text like God is great, God is good, today is my day, yesterday was awesome, tomorrow will be better. Just add text, and you are going to do this for free. After then, just download the pictures. Download the pictures after adding the text. Download the pictures. So the next step, which is the third step, is for you to take it to a photo lab. Make sure you go there and print the pictures. Once you've printed the pictures, then your job is half done. So you have to move to the fourth step. The first step is for you to take it to where they can canvas and frame. They call it canvassing and framing. You take it to where they will do canvassing, and in some places, especially in Nigeria, you can get it done at the photo lab itself. They will do canvassing and they will do the framing, and it depends on the size you want. Just tell them the size you want. You can use 10 by 14 or 12 by 16 size. Then you get it printed. Once and get it printed, canvassed, and you put frames. Once you put frame, then it is next. You go to the next step, which is the fifth step. You go to e-commerce website in Nigeria. There are third-party e-commerce website. Just go to jumia.com or konga.com or dealday.com or sweep, this new one, sweep.com.ng. Just take your frame there. Go to their website and register. Once you register, you have the opportunity to list your products. Once you list the products, then you are ready to sell, and people will come. The pictures and everything you got for free. If you check any of these websites, you see they are selling for as high as 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, and you are already on your way to making money. So the last step is for you to rinse and repeat. That means you start all over again. After doing the first one, you do the second one, and before in a week you can be generating nothing less than 50,000. I just said I should give you this quick one, so you have it. You don't have excuse for not doing this. Just go straight to Pezels.com, download, take it to Befunky, just put the font, go to the photo lab, print it, go and canvas it, put frame and list it on Jumia, and you start making your money. It's as easy as that. So if you have not, before I conclude, before I go, if you have not subscribed to this channel once again, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can all succeed together.